In this video, I will be walking you through how to create a Shopify account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, what you first need to do is head on over to shopify.com. This is the official website for Shopify. I've left the link in the description below if you want to sign up to Shopify for $1 for the first month, and I'll show you what that looks like. So if we open the tab, this is the link here. All right, now I'm going to enter here. So once you click on the link, you'll be brought to the free trial and enjoy your first month for $1. This might change in depending when you're watching it. You might get extra bonuses too using that link. So what you want to do is add in your email address here and then click on start free trial. And once you've done that, it will take you to creating your store. So from here it will say let's get started, which of these best describes you. So if you're just starting out, click I'm just starting out, or if you're already selling online or in person, click whichever one best describes your situation. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be doing I'm just starting out, then click next. And then where would you like to sell? So you got a few different options here. So if you want to create a fully custom website, click an online store. If you're in person, click there, social media, online marketplace, or an existing website or blog. For this demonstration, I'm going to be creating an online store, so a fully custom website. So I'm going to click next. And now, what do you plan to sell first? So you got a few options to choose from. Products I buy or make myself, digital products, services, drop shipping products, print on demand products, or if you want to decide later, you can choose that. So for this demonstration, I'm going to be planning to sell drop shipping products, and then I'm going to hit next. And now once that is done, you will need to choose your location. Automatically it should be chosen for you. I'm in Australia, so it's chosen Australia, but if you want to change it, you just click into it and then choose the country and then click next. And now it's going to redirecting to Google, so this will only take a moment. So I'm going to sign in with my account here. All right, once you've done that, it will say building your store. So let that run its course. It'll take a few moments, and then once done, it will redirect you to Shopify. All right, so it's redirecting me to Shopify, and that's it, guys. How to create a Shopify account. And now once you're inside here, you've got a setup guide. So I've got a video of how to do this in my channel. So if you want to watch the setup guide, I'll leave a link in the description as well. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.